K-pop group, we love Timezone! Join the fun
at Timezone! Join the fun at Timezone!
Welcome to the much-awaited opening of the newer, bigger, better, and more exciting Timezone at UP Town Center. What is it that you're looking forward here in Timezone? Hello?
Playing games and beating Ivan bowling.
This particular Timezone store is one of our 5 biggest outlets in the Philippines. We designed this perfectly for the community of Katipunan and this area where you have all the big universities. So it's really meant to be for students and families.
We are very excited for this bigger, nicer, and more exciting store.
Welcome to Timezone UP Town Center!